Today we have another fun image transfer video. And this time we're going to transfer this photo to glass. And before we dive into the process, I'd like to mention this process and many other fun image processes can be found in my book, the Mixed Media Photography book, which is available on Amazon. So if you're interested, there are links to the book below this video. And if you already have the book, this process is on page 79. Okay, so let's start now. So this is the photo I'm going to transfer. It's a photo I took in New York. You can print the image with a laser or inkjet printer. And it's important that you print it on a standard printer paper. And for the glass, you can get it at the hardware store, but I like to take it out of a frame I like, and then when I'm done, I pop it right back in and it's ready for display. You can use different mediums for this transfer, like matte medium, but I'm going to use soft gel medium. And by the way, there are links to all the supplies I'm using today below this video. So I brush a good amount of the medium on the glass. And I place my photo face down into the glass while the medium is still wet. I use an old card to press the print down, remove any air bubbles, and create a good bond between the glass and my photo. Okay, so now I need to let it dry, and normally I will just wait a few hours and let it air dry. But today I'm going to use a hair dryer on low settings. Now that the transfer is dry, I'm going to spray the back of it with water. By the way, I like to call this process 3D glass, and soon I'll show you why. And I start peeling off the back of the paper. And if the paper is dry, you can add more water, and it will help removing larger pieces of the paper. And now I will just let it dry. And next I'm going to wet it again, and this time I'm going to use an artist knife to remove the paper from small areas. I have to say, I love this process. It is so relaxing to me. And by the way, there are more ways to transfer a photo to glass, so check out my other videos. I will list them below. When you're done removing the paper, you'll actually notice there's still some paper left behind. But don't worry, when you seal the transfer with clear spray or varnish, it will also clear up the leftover paper that is still visible over your transfer. Like this one, all the paper is gone. Now I'll show you why I call this process 3D glass. In order to create a 3D effect, I apply a collage layer to the back of the glass behind the transfer. I simply glue the collage material using the same gel medium I used for the transfer. And then I simply place the glass back in the frame and it's ready for display. Here is another example, and in this case I placed one of my gel prints behind the glass. Let me know in the comments below what's your favorite way to transfer a photo to glass. And yeah, make sure to check out my other glass transfer videos. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.